My name is Patel Dia. My student ID is 101414516 and today I am walking through my assignment 4 for my course 3122. Now I am going through each and every question and explain how I made it as per your requirement. So first of all, I am going through my question 1 in which first I load the data set, the test.csv file into Panda data frame name mydf using pd.read CSV function. This step ensures the data is ready for manipulation and this is my output. In question 2, I show the first 3 rows of my DF. So, to verify the data was loaded correctly, I use head3 to display the first 3 rows of the data frame. So, this is my output and this is my first 3 rows of my data frame. In question 3, next I have to temporarily delete the model column using the drop method without altering the original data frame, and I did it and this is my real output of it. In question 4, what I have to do is to delete the model column permanently using the assignment. So I delete the model column permanently using assignment. I confirm the deleting by checking the model is no longer in the column of my DF. So this is my output. After that, in question 5, I have to delete rows 1, 2, 1, 3 and 5 permanently. I remove rows 1, 3 and 5 permanently using the drop method with in place equal to true and display the first 4 rows to confirm. So this is my output for it. In question 6, I have to calculate the mean of the range column. So for that, I calculate the mean of the range column using mean function which is mentioned in the result and this is my output. And the value is 297.533262935588604. In question 7, I have to clean the type column and I replace all occurrence of F with AAA. So this is my output. In question 8, I have to remove special characters like $sign from the cost column using str.replace. Then display the updated rows to check the result. So this is my output of question 8. Question 9, I have to change the cost column data type to integer and display the result. So for that, I converted the cost column to an integer type using s-type int to allow for numerical collections. And this is my output for question 9. For question 10, I calculated the overall average cost and average cost group by continent using the group by and mean methods. And this is my output of question 10. In question 11, I have to calculate the minimum, maximum and standard deviation of the group column, cost column by group by each continent. So what I did for the cost column, I calculated the minimum and maximum and standard deviation group by continent using edge. So this is my output. In question 12, for all numeric columns, I calculated the minimum, maximum and standard deviation group by continent using edge function. And this is my output for my question 12. For my question 13, I created a bar chart to visualize the mean of numerical columns by continent using plot kind equal to bar. So this is my output for that. For question 14 and 15, I counted the occurrence of each continent in the continent column and calculated the percentage using value, count and normalize equal to true. So this is my output for my question 14 and like here is my output for my question 15. In question 16, what I did is I displayed the unique values in the continent column and counted them using n unique. So this is my output for my question 16. Now for question 17, what I did is I have to display the frequency of unique values in the first column using value count and include a comments explaining the results. And this is my output for my question 17. For my question 18, what I have to do is like I have to plot a histogram from the cost column. So I plotted a histogram of the cost column with default bins and then with 50 bins of better granularity. And this is my output for my question 19th also. For my question 20, I checked for missing values in the zip code and type column using ISNA and summarized missing values for the entire data frame. And this is my output for my question 20. For my question 21, I drop rows with any missing values and display the remaining numbers of rows. For my question 22, I use value counts to display statistics for the type column including none values. And this is my output. For my question 23, I replace missing values in the type column with XXS using Filna and display the updated values. For my question 24, what I did, I dropped the all rows with missing values permanently and display the total number of rows left. For my question 25, I set the ID column as the new index, remove the index name and display the first 5 rows. I also retrieved the value for IDs equal to 70 in the value column. In question 26, I displayed the index column and shape of the data frame. Then I reset the index and displayed the updated structure. Question 20, this is my output. In my question 27, I used this describe method to get summarized statistic and retrieve the value of the first row and third column. And this is my output. For my question 28, I sort the value counts of the continent columns by count and alphabetically using sort values and sort index. In my question 29, I display all rows, all columns for rows 1, 3, 5, 7 and first 7 rows for the type and continent columns, and this is my output for it. Right. Then after 29 questions shows all columns of the following rows in 1, 3, 5, 7 and this is the output. For my question 30, I display the value column with type is equal to XXS using the lock method. And this is my output for my question 30. This concludes my assignment. I demonstrate how to manipulate and analyze the dataset using pandas. Thank you for watching my videos, and now I am going show that all my 13 questions are running properly. This is my question 1, 2. And I also have a test.csv file. I hope that you liked my videos, and this is all my code that I learned in my last assignment of my semester. Thank you and have a nice day.